Hi, it's Nate Charles, and welcome back to the Rule of Law Brief. If you want to understand why manufacturing isn't coming back to the United States the way politicians like Donald Trump promise, you need to understand one thing: a metal box. I'm serious. Marc Levinson's book, The Box, explains how container shipping rewired the global economy. And once you understand it, a lot of modern political rhetoric just falls apart. Before containerization, shipping was slow, expensive, and chaotic. Goods were handled piece by piece. Theft was routine. Warehouses were full of inventory sitting for months. Then standardized containers came along. Shipping costs didn't drop by 10%, they dropped by orders of magnitude. When it suddenly became dirt cheap to move goods across oceans, manufacturing didn't just move, the entire infrastructure that supported domestic industrial production dissolved. Warehouses shrank, just-in-time manufacturing took over. The supply chain became the warehouse. Ports were redesigned, rail networks shifted, and entire communities rose and fell. So when someone like Donald Trump tells you the tariffs they're proposing are going to bring back manufacturing jobs like 1955, it is nothing short of magical thinking. Because to do that wouldn't just require economic incentives brought about by tariffs. It would require reversing decades of infrastructure development. There isn't a single tariff that anybody could realistically impose that is going to bring manufacturing back to the United States the way that it existed 80 years ago. It's just not going to happen. And Marc Levinson's book, The Box, explains why. If you want to understand globalization, supply chain, industrial policy, and the limits of economic promises by the types of politicians that Donald Trump represents, you need to read The Box. I've written a full breakdown on Substack. The link to our analysis on Substack is in the description below, and our affiliate link to the book itself on bookshop.org is also available. Start with The Box.